In this video, we will draw stacked bar charts. Stacked bar chart is used when the metric we want to show has some components also, and we want to look at these individual components also. So for example, if we look at the total cases, so this is a bar graph of total cases only. Now total cases consists of three things. One is the active cases, that is the cases which are currently active, plus the total recovered cases, plus the total deaths. So if you add these three values, total recovered, total deaths and active cases, you will get the value of total cases. Now if you want to see these three items also for all these 6 countries, instead of using a simple bar chart, we can use a stacked bar chart. So to add a stacked bar chart, click on add a chart. I'm using a stacked column chart. The stacked bar chart is also same. I place it here. So I'll change the dimension to countries. There is no breakdown dimension I want. I'll see three things here: total deaths, total recovered, and the active cases. I want to sort them using total cases. Now this looks like a simple bar chart. If I go to style and tick on this stacked bars, you will see that the 3 bars that were previously shown individually have now been stacked. Let's reduce the number of countries to 6 so that we see only the top 6 countries, and increase the height of this chart so that we can see the total contribution of each. So you can see that amongst all these 6 countries, Germany has major contribution of recovered cases. This green is for recovered cases, and Germany has major contribution of recovered cases. Whereas in USA, there are still a lot of active cases. And if you look at UK, the number of recovered cases seem negligible. So this is the use of a stacked chart where the total is an important value, but you also want to show the individual parts of the total. So total cases in US is also shown, and the contribution of each part to the total is also shown using different colors. This is stacked bar chart. If you go to style tab and tick on the 100% stacking option, you get 100% stacked charts. Now what this does is it brings all of the categories to same total of 100% so that you can compare the contribution of each part in these categories. So in Germany, you can clearly see that the contribution of recovered cases is very large compared to other countries. Contribution of recovered cases in Italy is larger than in France. The percentage deaths are more in UK than in US and Germany, and so on. So if you want to compare the contribution of these parts in different categories, you can use 100% stacked bar charts. That's all in this video. You have to draw both a stack chart and 100% stack chart for these 6 countries and see the contribution of each of these 3 parts to the total cases for these 6 countries. See you in the next video.